Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm at Five Below. These videos were taken on September 17th, and this location is the 14th Street location on 6th Avenue. So check her out. All these items should still be in stock depending on when you view this video. This pink pumpkin, so cute, must have. So they definitely have a lot of decor items. So if you're planning a party, run to Five Below, please. Like, they have things that are $3, $2, $5, and they're all good quality. So definitely, if you're throwing a party, or if you're gonna make a boo basket, or if you just want to decorate your home, they have some really cute pillows, some pajamas. Here we're looking at some really cute socks. Super cute, super comfy. Definitely must have items. They even have items to make like mocktails and drinks. These were like little gummies. This is a punch bowl, super cute. It's like a slime punch bowl. They have some ice trays. Come with gummies inside. They even have like the chocolate bombs, which are so cute. Here's the pajamas again. More decor. And yeah, so they also have like just home decor kind of stuff to get into the fall. Oh my gosh, they had those really cute piñatas. So cute. Look at them. And I love that this year I've been seeing a lot of pink Halloween decor. I love it. It's so cute. So they had these in different shapes. Really good. I would say like kind of like a cute little party favor, or if you're gonna do something with the kids, this is super fun. They had the tombstone shape, a bat shape, a ghost, and a pumpkin. All super cute. I would get every single one of them and use these as, if you don't use them as a piñata, I would also say you can use them as cute centerpieces. They also have like Halloween costume wigs and accessories. I've seen a little bit of makeup. And they also have really good, surprisingly, really good high quality face masks. I have a teenage boy and he's in that era of a mask instead of a costume. So check out Five Below. For all of the night before Christmas Halloween fans, run, because they have so many cute items. I always see this as something that like so many people go crazy over. They love that theme and they have a lot of it this year. Also, they even have stuff for the pet moms and dads. They have cute little costumes, so save your money before you go anywhere else and go to Five Below. So cute. These little cute little Hello Kitty items for the girl moms, or you know, the aunties, make a little cute boo basket. And lastly, we just have more decor. These cute little felt they're like suede pumpkins, so cute, very cheap. You're not gonna find them anywhere cheaper. Like, they have those at Home Goods and Marshalls for like $15. So run to Five Below. Here's a few of my favorite items. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And also comment below to let me know which store you want me to check out next. I'm thinking maybe Michael's, TJ Maxx, or Marshall's. Bye guys, thanks.